If you want that stacked stone look, I'm going to show you how to do it at a fraction of the cost. A little bit cheaper way of doing it. I had already started this so I could go ahead and mount my meter box. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of the side of the house with it. We see right here, I had some quarter round trim. I just put this there as a straight edge. This is where I'm going to stop my stacked stone look at, and then I'm going to pick up with it with some siding. A few supplies you'll need to get started. Get you a mixer. Of course, have you something to pour your cement in, your mortar in, a wheelbarrow or some kind of trough. What I'm using is a stucco gun. So get one of these, hook up to your air compressor, spray it on your wall. To get that stone look, get you one of these patterns right here, because what you're doing is stamping it on now. Of course, you know to get your water supply. I suggest to have a pretty good size air compressor tank so you can have air to last as long as possible. Before you start putting your mortar on your wall, prepare it. Get you some of this mesh metal, come in sheets. Put that on your wall. You see I have this black paper on here. I do have house wrap on here, but I also decided to overlap it with some of this black paper where I'm putting my stacked stone at, because your mortar absorbs water. So I chose to put black paper on the wall to keep from the water absorbing into outside sheathing to help keep it from rotting. What I have is 80-pound bag of ready mixed mortar. Just put in your mix and add water to it. Try to get all of it out the bag. We don't want to waste nothing. Just add some water, cut it on. Mortar look like it's been mixed to a good consistency. Now we'll just dump it in our trough. Get a trowel, this old cheap trowel, so you can get all your mortar out of your mixer. Try to use all the material you can. Got some mortar mixed up. Stucco gun, hook it up to your eye, dip it in there and spray it on. Get a nice pan full of it, pull the trigger. From the ground up to my straight edge, I got 55 inches, so that's 4 foot 7 inches. And I went about 4 foot. I went about 4 foot crossways. That's pretty much a 4x4. Now, if you buy them panels, them stack panels in the store, you're gonna pay almost at the minimum $50 and up, $70, $80 just for one piece. This one 80-pound bag of mortar mix was $10. I'm gonna let this sit up, make me another bag, then I'm gonna start putting the texture on it. Go back and stamp it. I might have let it sit up a little bit too long, I hope not. So we can pick back up where we left off at. Look like it's gonna pick up pretty good right there. Just get you some kind of lubrication, WD-40 or a cheap can at the dollar store or whatever. Just spray inside your mold. They'll help keep the mortar from sticking to it. Just go along with your pattern. Pick up from that last one. Press it. Pull it off. There you have it. Keep going. I've already sprayed 18 feet long. I'm at my highest point. It's almost 5 feet. It's 4 foot. About 4 foot 9 inches. At the lowest point, it's 3 foot 2 inches. I've done what you see right here with only 4 bags of ready mix mortar mix. That's worth about $400 right there. If I were bought the panels from the store, and them 4 bags of mortar mix only cost me $40. I can go back and put some color to it if I so choose to, and I may. And if I do, of course, there will be a video on it. Back to where we started at, where we tied it in right there. Go on down side of the house, down there to the corner. I got just a little bit more to go for my stopping point before I had to take my old siding down and pick back up with this. All right, folks, I'm a numbers person. I like to count the cost up before I do anything. What you see right here with this stacked stone look, I bought 8 bags. It cost me roughly a little bit under $85. Versus if you bought the panels, one panel at the cheapest I've seen is $50. So you add all that costs up, every 4 foot, some of them are 4 foot by 2 foot, if you get them like that. So this one section, $100, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. I'll probably save $1,000 by doing it this way. Like I say, cement, 8 bags of mortar mix, costs $185. This stencil right here, got it online. I'll look it up and I have a link in the description for you. Maybe around $80 for this, a little less, give or take. Cement mixer, $150, $200. Even when you add the materials that I bought, my numbers are still less than buying the panels and screwing them in. It'd be a lot easier that way, but look at your savings. And it's something you can do yourself for all your DIYs. There you have it. Remember, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.